Hello friends, today we shall explore a budget wireless headset that is currently available at Amazon at only 629 rupees. This headset has a 250 mAh battery that can last for 33 hours. I have tested this headset and it certainly lasts full day with 8 hours music usage and still 80% battery was left at end of day. Very interesting feature is this headset has two equalizer mode, music and bass mode. I love the bass mode, it can certainly deliver some thump in your ears. Music mode can deliver some good stereo effects. The earbud design is unique and fits well in your ears, especially those who always struggle to keep those earplugs inside their ears as they keep popping out. A common problem I had faced in past, this one fits snug fit in those ear cavity. The headset support quick charge and 0 to 100% charge barely takes some 20 to 30 minutes as per my regular usage experience. And most importantly, it has USB-C type charging port, so all our new chargers works well with this headset. This headset comes bundled with free in-ear attachment. I suggest to use them as they keep them well positioned inside your ears. It's ideal when you are using them inside your helmet or while walking or running. At this price they are providing 14.2mm driver, and during my regular usage I did found this headset output worth every penny. According to me, this is the value for money headset which I was searching for long time. The audio output has rich bass, vocals are clear and mids are crisp. This headset comes with 4 control button. It has volume up and down button which double up as track change for music on long pressing them. The middle button between the volume control is for music pause, long pressing it will shut off or turns on the headset. The 4th button at bottom with single press activates voice commands and long pressing switch to equalizer mode selection. Harmonix Z5 comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 version. Connectivity-wise headset pairs very swiftly with the phone without any struggle. During my regular usage this headset connects very smoothly with the phone. So now let's check the unboxing and first experience of Portronics Harmonix Z5 wireless headset.